The next thing that I wanted to do is I can use the equality operator with Booleans. I can say if this equals true as well. This is also completely valid, though redundant. However, let me go ahead and get this away, put this away for a sec, get it back to name equals Nelson. And then I'm going to show one more equality operator. So now if I type in Nelson, we get your name is Nelson. If I type in whoa, my name is not Nelson. This equality operator is very similar to this equality operator in that it returns true or false, but it's the opposite. So this will return true if this variable does not equal this literal, and it will return false if this variable is the same value as this literal. There's an easier way to write this code, but we'll get into that next week.